Hi friends, I'm Professor Rajashekharan. If you are first time to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that when I post my next video, you will get the notification immediately. In this video, we'll see the difference between stratified and cluster sampling. See, stratified sampling and cluster sampling both are a group sampling actually. But many people, they think that both are same. Actually, it is not. Because stratified sampling is actually entirely different from the cluster sampling. The major difference is in the cluster sampling, the entire samples are heterogeneous. They do not have the common characteristics. Whereas in the stratified sampling, the group is homogeneous. The reason is, let me give an example. If you take the cluster of the boys, you are going to select the school kids, one particular standard. They are all the boys you select. So they may a cluster, but they may not have the common characteristics. Instead, they may have a heterogeneity. Whereas you pick the another stratified sampling, maybe instead of selecting the whole class, you select some 10 boys, all of them from a common characteristics, probably their age, their education background, their locality, something you take some common characteristic that become homogeneity. That is what stratified sampling. So stratified and cluster. Cluster is heterogeneous, stratified is homogeneous. That's a point number one. And next thing, cluster sampling, you randomly select the entire group and include them into your population, particularly in the sampling method. You randomly select the whole group. In the cluster, you have selected 10 boys, the whole people will be selected, will be adding into the the overall sample. However, in the stratified sampling, even though there are 10 people you selected, they have a homogeneous characteristics. You will not add everybody. You may select again only very few people. Probably out of 10, you may select only 5 from this particular stratified. Another stratified sample, you may select another 5 in that way. But in the cluster, you use the whole cluster in the sampling. Now, I hope you understand the difference between stratified sampling and cluster sampling. I'll catch you with the next video. Bye-bye.